Hello world, welcome back to Coding Scientist, Artificial Intelligence and Robotics on Jets and Nano using JetBot module. So let's take a look at it where we are. So we have reached lesson number 11. Alright, so we are going to mount the bottom body of the JetBot. In the previous lesson you did fix the caster wheels, and in this lesson we are going to mount the entire structure to the bottom of the body to hold the base. All right, it's pretty simple. You would have received 4 screws here. Guys, one important thing: before you fix this bottom plate with the caster wheels, make sure that your Wi-Fi wires, the black color wires, goes inside the hole and comes out below your motor driver board, so that it's suspended freely. All right, so let me show you how it looks like, and you can follow accordingly. It's pretty easy. Couple of caveats here in terms of moving out the Wi-Fi wire. See, can you see how did I pull it? So it's from inside actually. So before you fix this bottom plate with the caster wheel, 4 screws, that's it. It's pretty simple. You have to just put it, screw it tight and fix it properly. But before doing this, remove it. Inside you can see a hole. I think I should have made a separate video, but anyways, it's pretty easy. You can just pull these 2 wires, one Wi-Fi wire from the left side and another Wi-Fi wire from the right side. So this has to be suspended like this. Can you see this? It has to be like this. So please make a note of it, because once you fix it, then you'll have to struggle and remove again and pull the wires. It's going to be tedious. So better you pull it right now before fixing the bottom plate. So this is how it should look like with your bottom caster wheels and your motors, your motor driver, the battery, and the camera mount. Everything is all intact. All right, perfect guys. So once you are ready with this assembly, and if you face any problem, do let me know. I'll help you online. I will get back to you soon with the next lesson. Stay tuned. Bye bye.